Okay, this video on how to hack a Flappy Bird. Well, first of all, I'll show you what I have on it. That's it. So we'll just go to Flappy Bird and have a look at the score. Now we look at the score I have. 9. High score is 9. Well, look at it. It's 9, which is really bad, you know. So I'm going to, hack it and just give it, a good score. You go with the, if you have any File Explorer or whatever, Apex is pretty good. And you go with the system rule. And I'm going to bring it back to like the start. Yeah. Bring it back to the start. Yeah. You go with the system route. You go into you go into data. The part of the two is there. Half asleep. Yeah. Now when you're in data, then you look for a file called data again. And then when you're in there, scroll on down till you see Flappy Bird. Yeah, but there it is there, and you click on it. And there in the files, then you see all the folders. You click on files, and then you click on cboard.ini. Click on it. It should open. And we go into, see the high score is 9, so we'll click on it. So it's 9, so I'm going to edit that if I can. Get out in there. I'm going to make it 9,000 not. And now, that looks pretty good, that score. 9,999, yeah, that's pretty good. Then you go with the file, hit save, saving, file saved, and just click over, and you go back into Flappy Bird. I should have 9,999 high score. Right. Oops. So now, that's how you can cheat a Flappy Bird. Okay, so thanks for watching. Hope that puts you off Flappy Bird forever. Okay, take care.